Work smarter, not harder. SIAGO Electric Standing Desk. The future of productivity. Tired of feeling stiff and sluggish after hours at your desk? The SIAGO Electric Standing Desk is here to revolutionize your work routine. With a spacious 63 by 24 inches desktop, an ultra-smooth electric height adjustment system, and a rock-solid commercial-grade metal frame, this sit-stand desk ensures you stay active, comfortable, and focused. Say goodbye to clutter with built-in cable management trays and hooks, keeping your workspace sleek and organized. Whether you're tackling spreadsheets, designing masterpieces, or gaming like a pro, this desk keeps up with your every move, literally. Forget manual cranks and wobbly desks. This motorized standing desk glides effortlessly from 27.95 inches to 45.67 inches at the touch of a button. Need a quick boost? Set up to 3 memory presets and switch between sitting and standing like a boss. The whisper quiet motor won't interrupt your flow, and the child lock feature ensures safe use in a family or shared workspace. Unlike flimsy alternatives, this desk won't shake or wobble, even at full height, thanks to its sturdy 1.5mm reinforced steel frame and premium polished wood finish. More than just a desk, this is an investment in your health and productivity. Studies show that alternating between sitting and standing improves posture, reduces fatigue, and boosts energy. Plus, with its spacious work surface, you'll have room for multiple monitors, laptops, notebooks, and more, no more cramming everything into a tiny space. Whether you're working from home or setting up a high-performance office, this desk adapts to your needs with modern style and ergonomic perfection. Worried about assembly? Don't be. Customers rave about its straightforward setup, with clear instructions and included tools. No need for a second person, one motivated user can get it up and running in no time. And let's talk durability. This desk is built to last, outshining the competition with top-notch materials that don't feel cheap. It's not just a workspace upgrade, it's a game-changer for your daily grind. So why settle for a desk that holds you back? The SIAGO Electric Standing Desk is the ultimate balance of form, function, and flexibility. Affordable? Check. Stylish? Check. Built to last? Double check. Elevate your workspace and take control of your comfort. Click that Buy Now button and experience the desk that moves with you.